Guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to make one post non-shareable on Facebook. So you will open up the Facebook here, and then you will go into your profile, open up your profile here, and I will actually make a post here. So I will just what's on your mind here, and I will just add hi here. And as you can see that right now this post is public, so I will just post here. Okay, and right now as you can see that we have this share option. So if we want to actually not share this post with someone, or we have to disable the share option, I will just tap on these three dots here, go to the privacy and click see more and select this to only me here. Okay, and then after that you will see that we have this lock option, and if we just actually refresh our profile here, you will see that we don't have like now share option. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.